Okay, well, yeah, see, right, so, hello everybody, this is Carnie Carousel, also known as DJ Red, and as you see right here, this is mostly the beginning of what I can make of my, automatic carousel, since you see I don't really have normally the right pieces. But you can definitely see that it works. Yeah, so I might be making some updates later on. But yeah, I am not sure how I'm going to make the carousel a little bit bigger. But if I find some parts or get some new parts that would allow me to make the carousel bigger, then I will definitely try to make it big as, well, at least medium size. Sorry about my hand. The phone was falling out of my hand, so I used my other hand to put it back. Sorry. But anyway, yeah, so this is mostly just it for right now. I might show you upload a video where it's completely covered up and fully running, and I might instead of using these cords here, I'll just hook it up to this battery pack that I have. To this battery pack, see? This I took off of something else, and it's got the cords and stuff. If I can hook this up to it, then I wouldn't have to rely on my PlayStation and this cord here to power up this. So yeah, that's mostly it. And subscribe or whatever you want to, leave a comment, and maybe you might want, and maybe you can, if you want, you can maybe suggest something for me to do with Legos or video games. And I might have some other channels from and sponsors maybe. But that's all in good time, So, yeah, I'll leave you to it.